So let me show you how to set up a new workspace in Sila. So I'm going to create it in a folder. So in this case, it's a Dropbox folder, just so other devices can connect to it and synchronize changes. Let's name it demo. So at this stage, at this step, we basically need to set up an AI provider, and it's not complicated. But so if you press here on how, you basically need to register an account and generate an API key, which is kind of like a password, and insert it here or here. Right, and I recommend to go with OpenRouter as the first provider because it's the simplest to set up, and it has access to different AI models from different providers, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. So let's do this next. And this one is optional. It's basically a search engine for agents. We can set up it later. And here we can set up a theme. And workspaces can have their own themes, so you can kind of distinguish between them. Okay, it works. Now let me open a workspace that already has conversations and assistants and files. So here, this is my current workspace. If I press on this drop down on Manage Workspaces, I can add, like create or open a different workspace. So it's already here. And let me keep the sidebar open. So if I press again here, you see now I have demo and this workspace, and I can quickly switch between them. And so when you press on a conversation in the sidebar, you see it opens in kind of like a tab. So if I press on it, I pin it, and that way I can open multiple tabs and then quickly switch between them. Or I can do this and drag and split tabs. I can resize them. So in here, you see there are chat, market, operations. Those are assistants. And they have their own context, their own instructions. So you can open them from here, or you can use a shortcut, Command T or Control T, right? And then type your question here. And in here, assets. So those are folders and files that are stored within your workspace. They basically are in a virtual file system that is separate from your real file system. But you can upload files here, and the assistants, they can create files in this virtual file system. And let's say this file, I can double click and then press here to open it as a tab, right? And what I can do is I can split it like this, and then I can, for example, go chat and say add and select this file, or choose it from here and say, let's see how we can improve copy. And basically we can have this workflow where we have a file and basically chat with our AI, ask it to edit it, and then see the changes immediately. Same for PDFs, for images. So that is Sila. The app is free. It's easy to use, easy to stop, and it's open source, and you own your data.